Hey friends, it's Laura. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating my kit for Week in the Life 2019. I'm so excited. It's my first time ever doing this project and I have a whole video talking about my plan for it, how I'm going to be approaching it a lot differently, my inspiration, and all of that good stuff. So make sure you check out that video. And I want to really quick address what I did in that video before we get started with this one. And that's that I went to the chiropractor and I got cupping done. So I've got these nasty marks all down my back. It's just part of healing and dealing with migraines and sciatica and all that body stuff. So wanted to address that because you'll probably see me as I turn around and grab bits and pieces and stuff. Anyway, we're gonna get started creating a kit for Week in the Life, and guys, I'm so excited for this project. I have kind of an idea and a vision in mind, and it includes a lot of black and white themes and just a lot of mixed media stuff. And I'm so excited to pull different stuff from my stash, from my craft room, and see what I can make. And I thought it would just be really fun to, share this fun casual video with you, makeup free. I'm in my pajamas, and that would be a really fun way for us to hang out and get crafty today. So if you want to learn how I make a kit, stay tuned. I'm going to be preparing all the stuff that I think I might want to use for Week in the Life this year, and I can't wait. So I guess the first thing that I'm going to do is look through my scrap papers, and that's a 12 by 12 box I have right over here. So I'm going to look through this 12 by 12 box I have that is full of different scrap papers and pull anything that I feel really drawn to and that I think I might want to use. And then as I go throughout this process, you'll see how I narrow things down from what I first initially think I might use to what I do end up pulling for my kit. White scrap paper. You can never have too much white scrap paper. Definitely going to be pulling some pinks per usual. Oh, I kind of love that. All the glassine bags. Any fun pocket folders and vellum stuff, I think that'll be really great. So this might serve as a really good thing to use for my cover. It's this really thick cardboard. So I'm going to pull that. I've got my art journaling tidbits in this folder that I might want to use. Old book paper. Maybe some floral illustrations. I have been doing a lot of stuff for the garden and such lately. I've got a lot of magazine clippings here, pulling out some of them. I really love the idea that I have for this album and the kind of theme I'm going with a whole lot of mixed media and that sort of thing. So I've pulled all of the scrap papers that I think I might want to use, and now I'm going to go to my 12 by 12 papers and see if there's anything there that I want to grab. I'm totally obsessed with the Crate Paper All Heart collection. I think I'm going to pull this paper. Also loving this collage page that they have, but I think I'm going to save this for a 12 by 12 layout. So definitely going to pull this. I think I could cut some little bits out and use them. And I'm getting the feeling that so far I've pulled mostly pinks and white stuff. And I really wanted there to be like this graphic element of black and white in my album. So I'm going to have to work on trying to intentionally pull in some black and white to get the vision that I want to achieve. All right, found some graphic black and white, so that's good. Feeling really awesome right now, except for the fact that my kit is ginormous and I've only done paper so far. I've not even touched my embellishments. But I'm feeling mega inspired by this project, so sometimes you just gotta roll with it. So I think I'm gonna grab this. That would be great for fussy cutting. Okay, so I think I gotta put my camera up on my desk so that way I can show you guys what's going on and all the stuff that I am pulling now. So you can see I have a whole lot of black and white and pink. We've got a lot of graphic stuff going on and I'm loving that. So many different paper scraps. So now I am going to go through my alphabet stickers and see which ones that I think I want to pull for this project. I think those are too playful for what I'm aiming for. I think I want something really graphic and bold. That's a pretty good one there. Okay, so I'm done pulling alphabets. Now I think I'm going to look through my journaling cards and pull a couple of journaling cards that I think I might want to use. I'm pulling so much. It's been such a long time since I've created my own DIY kit. I'm having a hard time narrowing it down. This is where I end up pulling in a lot of my black and white graphics. The vertical ones would be nice because I could just punch holes and put them right in there because I think I'm going to do like a 6x8 size. And I'll just do the same thing with the black and white ones. Pull a few of these. So I've grabbed some more bits and bobs and I'm going to see what I can pull out of here. There's lots of light pinks and grays and whites that I think will look really awesome with this kit that I'm making. And some little charms and doodads. It's going to be really fun to add those to my kit. I've also pulled some bits and bobs from just personal stuff. I pulled this out of a notebook. It's a little folder. I thought that was so cute. And then I have this envelope I received in the mail. It's got a beautiful floral stamp and I just love that stamping over it. And yeah, I thought these would be really fun to maybe include in the mixed media aspect. And I've also grabbed this plastic container and I'm gonna get to work kind of organizing some of this stuff, or at least I'm going to try. And I'm sorry for the strange camera angle here. Doing the best I can with a temporary filming setup while we renovate the craft room. Also gonna pull a little bit of ribbon from my stash. Got all of these ephemera pieces I've pulled. Oh, somebody just got home from work. I hear the garage door opening. How pretty does this container look? Oh my gosh. It looks so beautiful. I think I'm gonna have to pull them out. Got some enamel dots. Put my Project Life cards back there. Got a few little paper clips here, but I'm definitely gonna pull a lot more of those. I'm gonna set them under here so they can sit under my ephemera. Don't worry about the dogs barking and people talking and stuff. Somebody just got home from work, so that is what's going on there. I think I'm gonna grab one of these pom-pom paper clips. I really love the little bits and bobs that can stick out or on top of the album and that kind of thing. Grab a white one. And then maybe the gray one. I don't expect to use even the majority of this. I'm just having so much fun pulling a kit. Ooh, and then I've got these hair bows that I could use too. Yeah, I really love that idea. So I'm gonna pull those. Hi, love.
Knock a dog in a room?
Did I?
From that?
Oh, he was afraid of the vacuum, sorry.
Thanks.
I didn't want him to be so scared.
Well, he's looking for me after this.
Aw, poor baby. He found you though, don't worry. You have a good day, sugar? Good.
Where's your rabbit?
I think he's hiding under the couch. Oh, keep your... Yeah, okay. So I'm going to say keep that door shut because I'm letting him free roam upstairs.
Because he's loose as a goose?
Yep. I love this little bow. I love really pretty paper clips, guys. I really do, in case you couldn't tell by the collection I have. But you can also tell by how many are missing from each pack that I do use them. So that's always good. It's always good to use the stuff you got. And now I can pull some binder rings out here. I don't know if these are going to be big enough, actually. I might end up having to buy some more, but we'll start with these gold ones. I think this is going to end up being a very thick and chunky little project. Ooh, I love these little hearts in here. These little wood hearts, those will be really nice to bring another craft colored element into this project since I pulled some craft papers. Thanks, sugar.
Yep.
I love you lots.
Oh, yeah. And if you're rolling film, you want your door closed yet?
No, it's okay. Now I get to look here. I'm definitely going to pull these little sunny days charms. They are so cute. Got some more beautiful paper clips here. I'm going to pull this gold lovely one. And then this could be really, really cute, especially if I take this top one and I paint that black instead of navy. That would really work with the theme here. So I think that's pretty good there. Oh my gosh, guys, this is taking so much longer than I thought it would because I'm finding all the pretty things and I want to include them all. You can tell I've not done this in quite a few months because I am showing no restraint at all. I'm just pulling everything and adding it to my kit. So, done with these cute little bits and bobs, and next we're going to move on to my embellishment boxes, which I believe are the very last category. So, we're almost done. Two big boxes full of embellishments. I'm going to take the paper that I pulled and put it to the side here. So that way I've got a little bit of room, for my embellishment boxes. So we've got photo corners here. I love these cute little match boxes that they come in. Oh my gosh. And the cute little gold foil. I think I'm definitely going to pull these. There's also some really great pink ones in here, and that'll work great for like the mixed media feel of laying down my photographs. Definitely pulling this. I really like these. I think I'm going to pull these out. I've got these lovely puffy phrases from Felicity Jane that I'll pull. And I'm going to add one of these gorgeous new thicker sets that I got from Tuesday morning. They're so pretty. And that gold foil is perfect. This is all Sunny Days ephemera that I had left over from the Wild Hair Kit. So I'm just going to pull that. I don't know that I'll use a lot of it, but I'll definitely use like the pink doily and stuff. I'm going to grab my doilies out. Got these puffy phrases. And I think that's good for this box, so we'll move on to the second box of embellishments. Alright, so this cute little frame, it's stuck to that glassine bag, but this is so beautiful. I pulled it off of some Happy Mail I received. I'm going to add that to my kit because it's lovely. Oh, here's my little pile of stuff that I've pulled off of previous Happy Mail and stuff like that. Definitely going to pull this. I think I could use maybe that little bunny and that one, so I can pull that. Pull this one and this one. I'm going to pull this glassine bag here. And then I think I'll grab the sticker pack from Maggie Helms. Okie dokie, that does it for embellishments. So I'm going to kind of put it all in here if I can. Whatever will fit. right, so this is what my kit looks like. Here's all of the embellishments that I pulled. They kind of fit into this little IKEA plastic organizer here. And then here's all the papers that I pulled. As you can see, there's definitely a pink, black, white, and cream theme with some craft and wood mixed in. And I'm so excited about this beautiful kit. Alright guys, that does it. That's my week in the life kit for 2019. It is so beautiful. I love it so much and I can't wait to dive in and get creating. If you want more of these videos, I am going to be switching most of my stuff over to Patreon next month. I've started graduate school and I'm crazy busy, so that's going to be a great way for me to make sure that I'm getting paid for my time, because I spend hours and hours on each and every one of these videos. Takes hours to record and then edit and publish. So I will be sharing regular videos like this over on Patreon, as well as lots of process videos showing you how I use up stuff from my stash and my favorite memory keeping techniques. So if you want to go over to Patreon, I will link that right down below in the description. It is not starting until August 1st, so you can sign up now. You will not be charged until August, and your first content from me will come out on August. And my Patreon includes really fun stuff like exclusive videos, most of my videos, and free printables that I create to help you with your crafty life. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this Build a Kit with Me video. I cannot wait to get started on my week in the life, and yeah, got so many good videos coming for you guys, showing you the process of week in the life and all my other stuff throughout the month of July to get you nice and prepped to head over to Patreon if that's something you want to keep up with in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will check you guys in the next video. Make sure to give this one a thumbs up and a comment down below if you're doing week in the life, if you're excited about seeing all of these process videos. I can't wait to get started. Bye.